top crash test evaluations and an extensive variety of cutting-edge impact evasion equip help the 2018 Subaru Impreza score exceptionally well. IDA Euro TMS. Not frequently that another auto experts are well-being scores. The 2018 Subaru Impreza procures good grades from government and free analyzers and offers an extensive variety of cutting-edge security outfit at a sensible cost. IDA Euro TMS a 10 out of 10, with no place for development. Each form of the 2018 Impreza comes standard with a rear-view camera, 7 airbags, electronically monitored slowing mechanisms, and dependability control. Program transmission premium, sport, and limited trim levels can be additionally redesigned with the Grande Euro TMS EyeSight suite of security tech that incorporates versatile voyage control, forward impact admonitions with programmed crisis braking, blind side screens, dynamic path control, and back cross activity alerts. Those highlights help the Impreza procure the top Safety Pick Plus rating from the ACE, but with a couple of reference marks. The halogen headlights on base, premium, and sport trim levels rate just a marginally Euro contrasted with the a acceptably Euro and a good Euro scores posted by the two levels of LEDs accessible on the Limited. The Impreza pros the ACE Euro TM most requesting tests, including another traveler side little cover frontal test. That a Euro TMS a necessity for this year, a Euro TMS top honor. The NHTSA, in the meantime, gives the Impreza an uncommon 5-star grant over the board. All Imprezas have an agreeable inside with great stretch-out space for detachable travelers. Hatchbacks are especially spacious for freight and offer an advantageous rooftop rack that asks for a couple of trail-blazing bicycles, a kayak, or a few snowboards. Indeed, even the base trim level is very much completed inside. However, no Impreza Euro TMS inside outline is particularly innovative. All models brag great infotainment and standard Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Subaru offers a suite of innovative security outfit like programmed crisis braking, dynamic path control, and versatile journey control as discretionary gear on most CVT-prepared Imprezas. Marked as EyeSight, the innovation functions admirably and is accessible at a lower cost than in most competitors Euro, although a few adversaries have begun making this apparatus standard. We trust Subaru will take after soon.